Motorcycle accident injuries are often catastrophic. It's just the nature of the protective equipment available. I think for those clients who are looking for representation where they've been injured or a family member has been killed as a result of a motorcycle accident, the one thing to look for is somebody with background and experience riding motorcycles. Our background here is pretty extensive in motorsports. I'm a former owner of a motorcycle and scooter shop. I've ridden everything from 50cc motor scooters to 200 horsepower race replica superbikes. I think to really represent somebody who's been injured or killed in a motorcycle accident requires that you've actually been on a motorcycle and understand what it feels like when that car makes the unexpected left turn in front of you when you have the right of way, or check brakes you. I understand what that is, and I think that we can really bring that to a jury's understanding based upon our experience. And when I talk to clients who've been involved in accidents, I really understand what they went through. I think that sets us apart from other firms.